This video shows how to find the first and third quartiles of any given data set. In order to do so, the first thing we need to do is identify the median of the data set. To do that, you can go from the lowest number to highest number, checking off each one, and the last one you check is going to be your median value. So our median is 6 right there. Label that median. I know it's the median. I have 5 check marks on one side and 5 check marks on the other. It's an 11 value data set. This is the median or the middle number in that data set. I want to remind you that you need to order your data set from least to greatest before you find the median or the first or the third quartile. Now the first quartile is the median of the lower half of the data. So these numbers right here represent the lower half of the data that's below the median. And the median value of the lower half of the data, if we figure out what the middle number is, we get a 4. So our first quartile, or abbreviated Q1, is 4. To find Q3, we look at the upper half of the data, which represents these numbers right here. And we're looking for the median of the upper half of the data. Again, upper half because it's the values that are above our median of 6. So to figure out our median value, we can see that that is 7. Out of 5 numbers, our middle value is 7. It's the third number in the list. That represents our third quartile, or Q3.